they are cultivating this side, they are doing the tree. But this from their forefather time, they have kept it as a reserve. So they are not cutting the trees. They use this, at times they come and they use this. Very cordial. They were, kind of. They wanted to sit and talk and find a solution. SGB is know you very well. Okay, so আপনার মানে বেসিক্যালি আপোনালোকে এই যে কিবা এটা ৰিজাৰ্ভ যে আপোনাক কৈ আছে সেইটো মানে মোৰ প্ৰব্লেমটো কি জানানে প্ৰব্লেমটো হৈছে যে ৰিজাৰ্ভ যোনটো আপোনালোকে যে ক্লেইম কৰি আছে এই ক্লেইমটোৰ একো মানে অথৰিটি চাইডৰ পৰা একো বেকিং নাই ফৰ এক্সাম্পল আমাৰ ৰেকৰ্ডত there is nothing called for example the VGR land VGR no yeah this is a boundary so from this side from which angle like it will be better no boundary because this is disputed see the problem is let us not use this term disputed why because I have with me I have the record of this village boundary and everything so here it is clearly mentioned that it belongs well within the border of Assam so now the problem is disputed when we will say disputed see if you talk about the disputed land then these are the villages where the Kannada people are living we can call them disputed this is well within the boundary of Assam so I don't think that it come under disputed definition
yes that is out of question disputed is out of question
yeah disputed yeah I understand
that is out of question
see the problem here is that the people are also here for a very long time they are also here from very long time we are talking when we are here when elders are here
Okay, sir.
will not talk in between
Okay, sir. Okay,
whatever you have to say
Oh.
tell me whatever you have to say you tell him
Okay.
okay and there is always a civil way of talking don't cross your limit don't cross your line please take him don't cross your limit
Yes, sir.
no my point here is listen
Forest officer, see forest officer. Okay, first we have to see this.
Yeah.
Who issued? Okay.
yeah even see the problem here is that there is no independent authority so obviously if it is happening if the map is being made from the West Jaintia hills they will produce that case their case isn't it it is from above then obviously they will have so everything is on record so let us not go there it is for the government to decide
Yeah, for the government to
we are here
decide.
for immediate solution are you getting my point no issue with that but if you start a new area if you start approach a new area then it might create
This is not a new area, sir.
this no.
This area is not new because from ancient times also, because both Karbi side and then from their side also they work. This area is being as a common only. When it is common in what way?
this particular area
both the sides see do you have any other form of livelihood other than cultivation other than agriculture do you have tell me honestly all of you were here do you have any other form of livelihood are you very rich people your livelihood your no, yes listen to me if you to ensure 2-time meal you'll have to go to the field and work so if you keep fighting among yourself then you will not be able to ensure 2-time food also for you for your children
Okay.
if you have any other form of livelihood then keep fighting but you don't have so agriculture is the only way of your livelihood isn't it to go earn money so wherever so if there is a possible solution then go for it if you start fighting among yourself just like what happened some time back you will not bear any fruit so the immediate solution is that see it is very important for both the communities that cultivate for biodiversity is really important
cả thảo đâu đó có khâu bên làng phím mà không có xem như trong ông khơi mình ông em tiếng
there's a written document between them
oh yeah you should sit together
cả là khơi bên làng tôi cái này thảo có cho cái rẻ luôn anh
actually no as per the what is taking no there's a written document among them regarding
So now, the main road and one more thing. Let us not behave like that we are too any community. Don't do this. If people from this side come to this side, this side, that side. No. You should have people. See, the communities, until unless you both the communities sit and talk, this matter will never get resolved. No matter what we do, as a administration, whatever we do, it will not bear any fruit.
মানে কথাটো আগতো ইয়াতে একো নহয় মানে এটা প্ৰব্লেম নাছিল যেতিয়া খান্দুলি চাইড প্ৰব্লেম হৈছিলে নহয় তাৰপিছত ইয়াৰ পৰাহে মানে প্ৰব্লেমটো আৰু এইটো আগৰ পৰা দেই মইতো ইয়াতে জন্ম হয় মইতো ভালকৈ জানো মানে এইটো ৰিজাৰ্ভ তাৰপিছতহে মই জেৰগেণ্ডে মানে বস্তুটো ইয়াতে আগতে ইয়াতে গাঁও নাছিলে 18টো ইয়াতে তাৰপিছত পানী খোৱা কিবা কাৰণে মানে তাতে তাত
এইটো কমিউনিটি হোল্ডাৰ মানে যিটো অ'নাৰশ্বিপ তেনেকৈ আপোনালোকে ক'ব পাৰে যিহেতু এইটো কমিউনিটি অ'নাৰশ্বিপ হয় লেণ্ড টু প্লটটো সেইকাৰণে এন এজ এ কমিউনিটি এইটো আমি ৰাখিছোঁ এজ এ প্লট ফৰ ইউজিং ফৰেষ্ট মাইনাৰ প্ৰডাক্ট ফায়াৰ দেট কেন বি এ ভাইবল বিজনেছ কথাটো বুজিছে ন দিছ প্লট অফ লেণ্ড উই আৰ গোইং টু ইউজ ইট এজ হোৱাট কেনেকৈ ইউজ কৰিছোঁ আমি আমাৰ ফৰেষ্ট মাইনাৰ প্ৰডাক্ট আছে বা আপোনাৰ কিবা ফায়াৰ উড আছে এজ এ কমিউনিটি উই আৰ ইউজিং and we have decided that we will not use it for any commercial or personal purpose. Yes. And from this year they are also trying to get into that plot of land, no?
স্পট দিন পাম এইখিনিতে
এইটো উমটাং ৰিভাৰ নহয় জানো এইটো উমখেৰমি এইটো উমটাং ৰিভাৰ ন অ'কে কিন্তু একো আমাৰ আচ্ছা নৰ্থ আমি ইয়াতে বৰ্তমান এতিয়া আমি ক'ত আছোঁ ইয়াতে আছোঁ নেকি We are somewhere here. আমি ইয়াতে আছোঁ ন ফাংগাপাঙত আছোঁ ন ফাংগাপাং ন আৰু এইখিনিতো এইটো হয় নেকি এই ৰোডটো সকলো মৰ্পচ আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা আহি পেলাই আচ্ছা নাও দিছ ইজ আৱাৰ মেপ এতিয়া আমি চাম ইহঁতে কোনটো মেপ প্ৰডিউচ কৰে দে হেভ দেয়াৰ land they will use let them cultivate on that land there is no need to there is no need to start plowing in a new land which is contagious. See, the problem will happen because this land doesn't belong to one single individual. The entire community, they have ownership, and they have this understanding between them that they will not use their land for any cultivation purpose, any personal or commercial purpose. It is for the community, so that in future, if the population grows, if there if there is any explosion of population of some people, they have more number of children, then there is a lack of resources, then they will proceed there. That is the point.
সিহঁতৰো আছে সেইটো ৰিজাৰ্ভ আছে মানে ব্যায়াম ভিলেজ সিহঁতৰতো ৰিজাৰ্ভ বনা আছে তাকো মানে কিছু পাছ কৰিব নোৱাৰো
From time immemorial.
From the time this village has been established, they have not used this land for any cultivation. So the only fact right now here is that they are asking that wherever they were cultivating, alongside with them, peacefully let them cultivate. We are also happy to cultivate because this is cultivation season, isn't it? So wherever they have been cultivating, let them cultivate. But they should not proceed to a new area because what will happen is make the one or two people they might understand, but all of the bunch of the people that are population is that means
Only this side, no?
Yeah, this side.
This side, left side.
How big? Yeah, I want to know their side of story also.
This before, so this particular place, commonly used.
Commonly used. Hey, wait. Let me and that. Okay. And their point is basically
This particular place.
তাৰপিছত ইয়াত আলোচনা দেই যেনেকুৱা ফিচাৰীত থাকাছিলা তাত আলোচনা আছে আপোনালোকে ইমানলৈকে কাম কৰক কাম কৰিব নালাগে নহয় আগৰ পৰা এইটো ভাগ কৰিছিলে তাৰপিছত এইটো যিটো বৰ্তমান যিটো প্ৰব্লেম হৈ আছিলে এইটো জাগাটো ৱেলিছ ৰিজাৰ্ভ মানে ইন ফিউচাৰ মানে ঘৰ বনাবৰ কাৰণে কিবা কাটিবৰ কাৰণেহে এইটো ৰিজাৰ্ভ কৰিছে ইভেন মুখামী মানুহে তাত খেতি কৰা এইটোহে ডিষ্ট্ৰয় কৰি আছে না এইটো মানে তাৰ পৰাহে প্ৰব্লেমটো হৈছে
Acha, ownership kiba ase? Is there any Karbi? This plot of land should be spared. This plot of land should not be cultivated. This is the only point of contention. So they are not even allowing their own people to cultivate here.
Gini ki
These manu cultivate over here.
tahu gini ki tahu manikar ki berul asam itu ruk ki pilih tu ini
Even from their own for you also both Jinka, isn't it? It is a commercial product. So that is why I am telling you, kindly don't fight among yourself. We can only come here once in a blue moon and sort issues. It is up to both the communities that you should understand. Within mutual understanding, you should fix a place which can be used for cultivation only and which is barred for cultivation. If they are saying that let us not use it for cultivation, let us not use it. If tomorrow if they go to that side and if they start cultivating in your reserve, you will also feel offended.
Yes.
So, are you getting my point? So wherever you have been cultivating for in past year, cultivate there. You have been cultivating alongside, isn't it? There were no issues. So why to approach in a new plot of land which is yet to be resolved by the government? Now if it is in their possession, so they will obviously have claim it, isn't it? So let us not go there. Government will sort it out in due course. Kindly stay limited to the plot of land where you have been already cultivating. Okay, because for you livelihood is more important. If you keep fighting, police forces will be stationed here. No agriculture will happen. You will die in famine. Police force will stationed here. Do you want this to happen? No, sir.
No, we don't want to go.
Because it will happen. No, this will happen. Police forces will be stationed here because we are friendly. We are not. They are not part of Pakistan or we are not part of Bangladesh. We both are part of India only. So we are friendly. I am talking to Mr. Panbu. I am talking to Mr. BDO Saab, Mr. Sangma. We all are on talking terms. So we will. Our main concern is to maintain law and order, and for that we will place the police station police here. Your movement will be hindered. You will not be able to do cultivation properly. So that is why I am telling. Kindly understand. Okay. Please translate whatever I have said.
not allowed to do and your people also will not allow to do.
Yeah,
Because this is a reserve land, so you should understand, please. That's enough.
That I explained.
That's enough.
Now the main another problem is that they said that we already cultivated the ginger.
Achha, how much time does it take for?
They have already
It will
cultivated.
take after November, December.
November, December.
So this issue happened before, okay? But we have already tell them not to cultivate here because this is the reserve area. But still then they don't listen and came here and cultivate. So what is the use of giving them again? No sir, we won't allow them to cultivate.
That's why we have explained now. From tomorrow they will not come. Nong man let's say.
They know each and everything. For that reason only they came and cultivate.
July, of course, no.
Ini bentar sini suka cak tung pitung. Ini bentar ini mah. Nai pak kau bi ke kampram ini kamu orang hipin nai lagi. Kami mandi dangi bok. Kili kamti orang dangi bok. Lihat yang sama berhali ya. Kamte. Nai pak orang ini leman karbile ki imgir garap keringi. Orang curap. Ini orang pitipi. Pile. Bayai piasnya tahu para piar rapi. Lem emgetiga. Cingetot. Art ni mana leng umkrimi wopi. Biasanya tahu pi rap pi imja imjur pi. Lagi kerja ni man มันกนี่ก็รับให้นี่ตั้งยุทธไปปราบไม่ได้ยังพิชเนาเท่ากันนะพระนึกเลี้ยงสกที่ล้อมพิชเนาเท่าพี่ดังบอกพุลิตกี้อาสามดังบอกกี้ไม่ขาเลยดังบอกก็เตะอง
นี่เลยให้จอยพันใบเนาะ
Kata kajing sitom tu ko sahaju ni. La dalai ko sa
You can speak their language.
นี่เนี่ย
I know very well sir. In Khasi also in Pinar also I know very well.
ใช่พี่พี่มันชัวร์เนาะพี่กัดกำมวยากันกันว่าเนาะพี่ใช้ตายได้ได้นี่อีใช้นี่ได้ได้นี่กระแรบก็ขี้ยาคันนักกำมวยากันกันว่าอินใช้นี่ชะดอกละกันกันว่ามันเปลี่ยนใช้นี่แรบพี่เลยใช้นี่แรบตัวโตก็ตายกับบรรตานายก็การละอมบลาสไตล์จะองค์คลอบัลังเนาะ
Oh klo balang.
คลอบัลัง
Ki deng klau ki kleng da ki klo ki deng klau ijo dai.
เจ้าได้
Kau
ชิลิม
pun
สไตล์
pun akam tang nak
Let
betul
me
kepala.
tell you something. See, their you know, their faith is related to that.